The next topic, if you see, it is max and min in a two-dimension array. So the first one, as you know, it's a variable block. In this variable block, you see I, j are the looping variable, and I have taken two more variables. One is max is equal to 0 and min is equal to 0. All the other statements remains the same. Coming on to the next block is the input block where we take the input, the same steps. I equal to 0 to 3, j equal to 0 to 3, and then a of ij is equal to in dot next int. So this is the input block. What will be the next block? It is printing the matrix form. So again, I equal to 0 to 3, j equal to 0 to 3. Now I will be printing it in the matrix form a of ij. Then I will be printing this in the matrix form. That is all about this block. Now the next block is to do the calculation. Because I am taking maximum and minimum, I am making the first element of the array to max is equal to a of 0 0, and first element is min is equal to a of 0 0, so that I can do the calculation. Again, I take the loop from 0 to 3, 0 to 3. Then I am doing the comparison. The comparison is if minimum is greater than a of ij, then what I do is I am storing that value in max is equal to a of ij. So it will compare each and every element of the array. And initially the value of minimum was 0, right? So it will be compared with each and every element of the array, so that after doing all this calculation, maximum element will be stored in a variable called as max. After doing this comparison, minimum value will be stored in a variable called as min. And finally, I am printing the two elements max and min, saying that it is a maximum element and the minimum element. Okay.